Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about sound and vibration setting. In this video guys, I will show you how can you on screen touch sound with this. You want to on with this sound, so you can on. In this video guys, I will show you how to on screen touch sound. So let's see how to on it. First of all, open your phone setting guys to on this screen touch sound. After that guys, click on sound and vibration. So I scroll it, then guys you can see this haptic and tones. Click here and guys click on touch sound last one. So you can see your touch sound is working. Screen touch sound now. So I hope friends you have understood how to on touch sound in oppo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.